Everyone is suddenly talking about detachment, letting go, protecting peace, not chasing. But what if I tell you this isn't a modern idea at all? Yes, more than 5,000 years ago, the Bhagavad Gita explained detachment so clearly that once you understand it, your anxiety reduces, your overthinking slows down, and your life feels lighter. Today, I'm not teaching religion, I'm teaching wisdom, the kind that still works in today's world. Let's begin. Most people misunderstand detachment. They think it means becoming cold, giving up, not caring, or running away from life. But the Bhagavad Gita teaches the opposite. Detachment is not leaving life, it is living fully without emotional slavery. You still love, you still work, you still dream, but you stop letting outcomes, situations, or people control your inner peace. Detachment is not the absence of emotion, it's the mastery over emotion. One of the most powerful teachings of the Bhagavad Gita is Karma Yoga. कर्मण्यवाधिकारस्ते मा फलेषु कदाचन. कर्म करते रहो पार्थ फल की इच्छा मत करो. In simple words, it means focus on effort, not obsession with results. And we suffer because we do this. We study but obsess over marks. We work but beg for appreciation. We love but demand return. We try but we fear failure. The Gita says you have control over your actions, not the outcomes. When you detach from results, something magical happens. You start performing better. You stay calm. You stop overthinking. Work with full sincerity. Let go with full trust. The Bhagavad Gita clearly explains this truth. Attachment creates suffering, not love, attachment. Attachment can sound like, I can't be okay without this person, or if this doesn't work, I'm nothing, or I need validation to feel worthy, or also they must choose me. This is where pain begins. The Bhagavad Gita teaches us to replace attachment with inner stability. You still care, but you don't cling. You still want, but you don't collapse. Pain doesn't come from loss, it comes from attachment. The Gita says something very powerful. An uncontrolled mind becomes your enemy, a disciplined mind becomes your greatest ally. Think about it. Overthinking, replaying conversations, getting triggered easily, imagining worst case scenarios. That's not life hurting you. That's your mind attacking you. Detachment is the learning to step back from your thoughts, to observe instead of reacting. You don't need to control the whole world. You need to control your reactions. So, when the Bhagavad Gita is talking about detachment, it's not asking you to stop feeling, it's asking you to stop letting ego, attachment, and outcomes decide your peace. You don't suffer because you care, you suffer because you cling. And the moment you stop doing that, your life doesn't become empty, it becomes lighter. This is ancient wisdom, and it works even today because the human mind hasn't changed. Comment down one thing that you trying to detach from. No need for explanation, just one word. That was all for today's video. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Stay aware, stay grounded. More clarity coming soon.